We was actually the first company in Europe who get the digital squeegee to our print shop, and we have run it for 1 year now. My name is Alexander Fors, coming from Sweden. My company name is Tryckhuset. It's the same city like we are now in. It's close to Gothenburg. It's 25 minutes from Gothenburg. It's a small town on the west coast. The name is Stenungsund. My dad started the company in 1986 because before he worked in a music store. And there was so many rock guys coming in and asking him, "Do you have some cool T-shirt with rock music?" And then he started from scratch. We get the first automatic machine like for 12, 14 years ago, I think, like in 2004, 2005, and that's make us that we could take more jobs on the market. It's make a big step for us because then we can take much bigger orders, and that's because we were supposed to have an automatic machine for the production we run at this time. We start to get a lot of orders with many separation prints, and then it's much harder to print in normal way to set up 9, 12, 20, 12 screens. And then we found the digital squeegee. We heard about it before the Long Beach show in Los Angeles 2017, and then we flew over. We was on the show, and then we need this one. The thing was, we signed a contract with a huge ice cream company back home, and we make it. This machine can create so nice work and small good details we not can do with normal printing. Since we get the digital squeegee, we take a lot of more jobs on the Swedish market for the separation prints. You cannot get the same quality with normal screen printing compared to the digital squeegee. That's impossible. And when the customers see what we can do, they're like, wow. Here we got one sample of the ice cream. The ice cream company, when they're going to make a new ice cream on the market, they always want to put out for all stores who's selling the ice cream. And there is one sample of what we did. They love it. They have never seen something like this before. Here is it's a rock boat back home in Sweden. You're taking a trip from the coast to the next coast, and it's like a rock music festival on the boat for 24 hours. And this is a job we're printing every year. So it's a nice one. Every time when we're doing something new, they are like, wow, for the quality. And here is one job we run. They celebrate 100 years of the capital city for something. And this one was big, was like 20,000 pieces. And you can just run it. When you have this squeegee, you never get the problem. Just start the job and make it done. We want to grow, and we want to be bigger and make more amazing work with our squeegee back home, because nobody can do the same like we doing in our print shop for the quality.